Well, I don't know what I'm about to do. I know what I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna try to get this fridge out of here without destroying it.
So today's project was removing the last piece of hardware minus the toilet, which is the fridge, which we may or may not keep, but we were getting it out of here because after that, what are we gonna do, Lynn? Walls.
I don't know what you think you're doing. What do you think you're doing? Huh? Huh? Oh, that's my ear. You nibbled on my ear. What? 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 What?
I think Chalk has the answer. He knows how to take out the fridge.
How do we take it out, huh? How do we take it out? How do we take it out? You gonna do all the heavy lifting? Huh? What? You sound more like a pig than a pit bull. You sound more like a pig than a pit bull. The fan.
When did that kick on?
I don't know. Must have kicked on because of. Yep. Yeah, probably because of this.
What if it tips over?
Just try lifting it straight up first. Honey,
I am.
to both sides evenly. Just lift it straight up, the whole thing. There you go. See, it's not that bad. All right, you ready?
I think so.
All right, tip the front down. All right, get your fingers out.
Now that we have the fridge out, which is exciting, and we got to do some bashing and sawing, and
I think you might be a little disappointed you didn't get to do any
I didn't
bashing
get to
or
do it. Lynn promised me I was going to get to bash, and I didn't get to bash anything. But what's interesting is you can see this wall behind the fridge is just like covered in, is that black mold?
No, I won't go that far, but I mean it's exposed to the elements, so it's not. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not done well for the walls.
It's not so much but it's
It's just not. It's not good. But anyway, onward and upward. We already have cool new masks and suits, which you'll get to see in our fashion show in the next video. So subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you get notifications. And
I'm too sexy for my shirt. Too sexy for my shirt. No.
90s child.
No. But, no. Right said Fred.
Tomorrow is Christmas Eve, so you'll probably not see us again until after Christmas, which is exciting.
We could do a Facebook Live or a YouTube Live. For
yeah,
Christmas.
you might see us YouTube Live. Actually, we might do one tonight, but anyway.
Tonight.
Well, from earlier that we didn't.
She's a slave driver, folks. She is a slave driver.
We gotta keep the content coming.
I came home and I was dog tired, and she's like, "All right, Airstream time," and I was like, "All right, nap time."
The 6 people who watch us on YouTube need the content.
Demand. Your followers need you.
What kind of Scrooge would we be if we didn't keep those videos coming. So anyway, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.